Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to use the new messages features in iOS 18. iOS 18 is packed with new features for native apps and the messages app is no exception. We will show you how to use the new messages features in iOS 18 on your phone. So let's start the video without wasting any time. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. First thing I'm going to tell you is about use emojis with tapback. iOS 18 allows you to add emoji reactions as tapbacks to messages. First, open a message on your iPhone and tap and hold the messages bubble which you want to respond. Select an emoji from the tapback option provided. Tap the smiley icon below the messages bubble to select stickers or other emojis. And you are done. Next thing I am going to tell you is web link preview card with colorful background. Whenever you send or receive a link, the app generates the link preview card displaying the page title, the domain name of the URL and the thumbnail when available. Open the Messages app and provide a link. And you are done. The thing I am going to tell you is about add fun text effects to messages. Open the Messages app and write a message. Tap and hold the send icon. You can choose from various effects like shake, explode, jitter. You can also choose screen. You can even change its background. And you are done. Next thing I'm going to tell you, use stickers as emojis. You can use stickers and emojis, add emojis. So when you add a sticker while typing a text, if you want to send the full size sticker, you can still send it from the stickers menu. And you are done. Next thing I'm going to tell you is about crunch numbers with math notes. When you type any calculation in the text box, you will see the answer in line. And then add an equal sign after the equation. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to use the new messages features in iOS 18, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.